Good morning, boys. Welcome back to another session of answering sample papers. As I've been telling you, this way of answering as many as model papers will help us to understand the various concepts from each chapter, and also we will have an idea what are the questions that are likely to come from a particular topic of the chapter. That is the reason why I said after taking over all the model papers that I am posting in your WhatsApp group, take a printout, okay? Make a booklet. Is that okay, Sandeep? Yeah. After that, Rakesh has to identify from chapter 2 what are the questions that have come. Chapter 3, what are the questions that have come, like this. Okay?
This all 60 questions, sir.
All 60 questions. Like that, I will be giving Rakesh 10 model papers. 10 into 60. Rakesh?
Yes, sir, 600.
600 questions. Plus Kendriya Vidyalaya 100. 700 questions.
Yes.
So I want Rakesh to get out. Not even 1 mark missing. So you practice 700 questions and then take a printout, make a small booklet of the 700 questions and then arrange them chapter wise. Then you will have an idea. From chapter 2, for example, concept double fertilization. How many questions are coming from topic double fertilization? And what are the ways in which he is asking? Like how many case study questions? How many MCQs, straight ones? How many assertion reasoning type from topic double fertilization? Understood? This is how we have to do what Prasad calls smart study. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Right. I'll be doing that. Is it okay now?
Zoom out, sir. Zoom out.
Zoom out or zoom in. Yeah. Okay, is it okay now? Is it okay now? Still, I think this is the last. Yeah. Is this okay? Little bit more. Mallikarjun, is it okay? Not looking. Now?
You can zoom in arm while only, sir.
Yeah, that's what you can do that.
Yes, sir.
Right. Don't worry. Now I am going to the question number 25. And as I said, question number 25 is assertion and reasoning type. Assertion and reasoning type. Now, assertion. Same tRNA, means transfer RNA, can recognize more than one codons differing only at the third position. I hope all of you got a paper and pen with you. Put section B, write section B, question number 25. Read the assertion. Some same tRNA can recognize more than one codons differing only at the third position. And the reason is the specificity of a codon is particularly determined by the first two bases. Now go for the choice. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Write your answer. Question number you put 25. Write alphabet only. Either B or C, whatever answer you feel is correct. Okay, Prasad? Yeah. Now we move on to question number 26. Assertion. In human beings, 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in diploid cells. Reason: 22 pairs of chromosomes are equal in male and female, but a pair of sex chromosome is different in them. I think this is easy. Yeah. Both A and R are true. A means assertion, R means reasoning. And R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Pick up the answer. Anand is waiting. Okay, has come. Okay, we move on to question number 27. Assertion. Placenta is a tissue present inside the ovary. Placenta is a tissue present inside the ovary. Reason: placenta bears ovules. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Again, placenta. We are called placental mammals. Clue is we said placental mammals. So it is easy to pick up the answer for that. Yes, Kadkol? Kadkol can't speak, no? Yeah, 28. All copulations lead to fertilization and pregnancy. It means coitus. Reason: the ovum released by the ovary is transported to ampullary region. Remember, I was telling you one junction, ampullary isthmus junction, place of fertilization. So both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. We move on to question number 29. The period between entry of pathogen into the body and appearance of first symptom is called A. Growth period, B. Generative period, C. Incubation period, and D. Proliferative period. The moment pathogen like bacteria, virus, fungus enters inside, and you get the first symptom like body pain, cold, cough. So what is that duration called? Question 30. Plotting specific genes on a chromosome is known as chromosome map or linkage map, genetic map, all three are same. Chromosome map only, linkage map only, genetic map only. Where do you get this clue? HGP, Human Genome Project. Again the question has come. Question 31. In the HGP, which chromosome was sequenced at last? Last chromosome to be sequenced. Is it chromosome 3, chromosome number 2, chromosome 21 and chromosome 1? Now question number 32. Introduction of sex education in schools should be encouraged to A. To avoid interaction between boys and girls. B. To discourage attraction towards the opposite sex. C. Having misconceptions about sex related aspects. And to provide right information to the younger generation. We move on to question number 33. Who is regarded as father of genetics? Of course, Rakesh knows. In 1 second, answer is there. A. Mendel, B. Bateson, C. Watson, D. Morgan. Next, question 34. In the DNA molecule, A. The proportion of A in relation to T. A means adenine, T means thymine, varies with the organism. B. The total amount of purine nucleotides and pyrimidine nucleotides are not always equal. It says not always equal. C. There are two strands that run parallel in the 5' to 3' direction. D. There are two strands which run anti-parallel, one on the 5' to 3' direction and other in the 3' to 5' direction. Clue for this I gave Sandeep, Jogal Srinath, Venkatesh Prasad bowling. One outswinger, one in-swinger. But both are pace bowlers. Okay. So question number 35. In which of the following plants fruit contain large number of seeds? Seeds, Bijapur. Orchid fruits, lemon fruits, neem fruits, mango fruits. Of course, the EG for Sandeep, because Sandeep eats lot of neem fruits. Sandeep? Vivek has left the meeting. Vivek left the meeting. Yeah. Question number 36. Functions of seminal fluids are, we will go for the B first, maintains the viability of the sperms. Second, or C, maintains motility of sperms. And D, provides proper pH and ionic strength. And A should be all these, that should be D. In fact, all of these should have been D. Okay? Question 37. Which one of the following is a pre-fertilization event? Pre means before fertilization. Pre-fertilization event. A. Formation of germ layers. B. Syngamy. C. Gamete transfer. And D. Amphimixis. Amphimixis. So pre-fertilization, before fertilization. Now 38. Is it okay? Am I fast or am I slow, Rakesh?
No, sir. Correct speed, sir.
Correct speed, no? Okay, we are able to answer. Right. Question number 38. Traits controlled by genes present on X chromosome. See, X chromosome. Traits controlled by genes present on X chromosome are called A. Sex limited traits, autosomes. C. Sex influenced traits. D. Sex linked traits. What is the question? Traits controlled by genes present on X chromosome. So the clue is X chromosome. 39. DNA is made up of two chains that twist about one another in the shape of A. straight ladder, B. double helix, C. broken ladder, D. straight spiral. I think the other day I posted you UPSC NDA paper related to biology. You must have seen all the photos of both Watson and Crick. And as I said, Professor Watson is still alive, we are lucky. And he often comes to India, Hyderabad, CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, gives a lecture on latest developments of DNA. Okay? So, you know the answer for question number 39. 40. The inner cell mass, which has the potency to give rise all tissues and organs, is called. Now, the clue is all tissues and organs. Okay, Sandeep? A. Stem cells, B. Germ cells, C. Cleavage, D. Embryonic cells. Question 41. Mother's milk during initial days of lactation is rich in dash antibodies. We all know that mother's milk is rich in antibodies, but again he is asking specifically. You know, varieties of antibodies are there, and these are called immunoglobulins, Ig. So IgA, IgM, IgG, IgE. So which is the antibody that is present in mother's milk. Next, 42. Indian population is A. old population, B. mature population, C. Rakesh, young population, and D. aging population like Australia and New Zealand. So I have given clue to Rakesh. Now, question 43, wherein you have to think a lot. Mother and father of a person with O blood group, which blood group? O, have A and B blood group. Read the sentence again. Mother and father of a person with O blood group have A and B blood group respectively. What would be the genotype of both mother and father? He wants you to write genotype. A. Mother is homozygous for A blood group and father is heterozygous for B. Mother is heterozygous for A blood group and father is homozygous for B. C. Both mother and father are homozygous for A and B blood group respectively. And comes both mother and father are heterozygous for A and B blood group respectively. So, easy question. You have to understand what is homozygous, what is heterozygous. In seconds you will get the answer. Right. We move on to question number 44, Rakesh. A phenomena
Yes, sir.
where the third base of tRNA, transfer RNA, at its 5' end can pair with non-complementary base of mRNA, messenger RNA, is called. Now, the clue for this question is third base of tRNA. Third base of tRNA. Okay? A. Collinearity. B. Wobbling, is shaking, shivering. C. Universality. D. Degeneracy. Degeneracy. Now we go to 45. The membranous cover of the ovum at ovulation is chorion, zona pellucida, corona radiata, zona radiata. He is asking outer cover of the ovum during ovulation. Question 46. Which among the following has 23 chromosomes? A number. Secondary oocyte, oogonia, zygote, spermatogonia. Now we move on to 47. The innermost wall layer of microsporangium is called innermost microsporangium. Tapetum, inner integuments, seed covers, integuments. Endothecium, inner layer. Intine. Now last question, 48. Spot the odd one from the following structures with reference to male reproductive system. What is the clue? Male reproductive. Epididymis, vasa efferentia, isthmus, rete testis. Which one is the odd one related to male reproductive system? I think all of you answered. Take 1 minute. Yeah. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, question 25. Answer should be A. Both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Explanation: it has been shown, for instance, that the same tRNA can recognize more than one codon differing only at third position. This pairing is not very stable and is allowed due to wobbling in base pairing at the third position. This kind of wobbling allows economy of the number of tRNA molecules, since several codons meant for the same amino acid are recognized by the same tRNA. For instance, anticodon CGC can recognize codons GCU, GCC and GCA. Okay. Now question 26. Answer A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. E.g., in human beings, 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in a diploid cell. 22 pairs are equal in male and female, but pair of sex chromosome is different in them. Male contains X and Y, females contain X and X. Question 27. Answer B. Both. Answer for 26. A. A is the answer. What, Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now question 27. Answer B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. The placenta is a tissue, tube-like tissue in the inner wall of the ovary, bearing one or more ovules, and the manner of distribution of the placenta within the ovary is called placentation. Now question 28. Answer D. A is false, but R is true. Yeah, with reference to plants.
Yes.
Question 28, answer D. A is false, R is true. Ovum released by the ovary is also transported to ampullary region where fertilization takes place. Fertilization can only occur if the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmus region. This is the reason why not all copulations lead to fertilization and pregnancy. Question number 29, answer C. Incubation period. The period between entry of pathogen into the body and appearance of first symptom is called incubation period. It varies from few days up to 7 to 8 years in case of AIDS. Even sometimes even 10 years also is there in case of AIDS. Next, question number 30. Answer A. Chromosome map, linkage map, genetic map. Plotting of specific genes on the chromosome is known as chromosome map or linkage map or genetic map. It shows the position of genes on the chromosome with respect to others. We said no, gene loci, gene locus. Next, related to that only, question number 31. Answer is D, as Sandeep has written, chromosome 1. Chromosome 1 is the final one to be mapped out in the Human Genome Project. This chromosome carries, as we discussed, an estimated 3,141 genes, 3141 genes, that manufacture proteins, making it one of the most gene-rich chromosome. Okay? Gene-rich chromosome. So chromosome 1, that's why is the largest human chromosome, containing about 8% of the entire genome. That is 6 times longer than its smallest sibling, that is chromosome 21. So this will help you in your UPSC NDA also. Longest, biggest one is 1, smallest one is the 21st chromosome. Work on this monster started a couple of years after researchers cracked into some of the other chromosomes. It was completed in May 2006. Okay, this is the explanation. Question 32, answer D, to provide the right information to the younger ones. Okay, sex education in school should be encouraged to provide the right information to young and discourage children from believing in myths and misconceptions about sex related aspects. 33 easy, Gregor John Mendel. 34, there are two, answer D. Of course, 33 is A, Sandeep. 33 is A, 34 is D. 34D. There are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and the other 3' to 5' direction. I said no, Jogal Srinath, Venkatesh Prasad, one bowling in swinger, other bowling out swinger, but both are pace bowlers. And thanks to the hydrogen bonds that are present in between the nitrogenous bases. Next, question number 35, A. Orchid fruits. The number of ovules present in the ovary determines the number of seeds produced inside a fruit. Mango and neem produce single seeds in each fruit. Lemon contains a number of seeds, but orchids contain many small sized seeds. I think Sandeep is clean bowled in this. Yeah, I too thought. Yes. Next, question 36. 36, functions of seminal fluid. I think A, all these. Correct, Sandeep? Question 37.
Always.
Yeah, question 37C, gamete transfer. After their formation, male and female gametes must be physically brought together to facilitate fusion, leading to fertilization. Next, 38. Answer is D, sex-linked traits. Sex-linked traits. The trait controlled by genes present on X chromosome are called sex-linked traits. Color blindness, hemophilia, all this we discussed, no? They are all sex-linked traits. We said X chromosome inheritance. Question 39. All of you know B, double helix. Double helix is the description of the structure of DNA molecule. A DNA molecule consists of two strands that wind around each other like a twisted ladder. Nichenage, I said. Each strand has a backbone made of alternating groups of sugar and phosphate. Remember I said SP, superintendent of police. Next, 40. Of course, all of you know stem cells. And I said lot of research is going on stem cells. Inner mass. Embryo contains certain cells called stem cells that have the capability to give rise to all tissues and organs in adults. Question 41, all of you know IgA. After the birth of a child, lactation starts in the mammary glands of the mother. The milk released in the initial few days is called colostrum. Colostrum contains IgA, antibodies that provide immunity to the child. 42, of course I gave a clue, young population. The age group is 35 to 50 years and it is estimated around 65 crores. Next, 43, answer D. Both mother and father are heterozygous for A and B blood group respectively. So to have a child with blood group O, both parents should have to contribute at least one allele. What is that? I0, I0. So if parents have blood groups A and B, they must have been heterozygous. That is IA, IO and IB, IO. This should be the case. Next, 44. Of course, we gave the answer already. B, Oobling. Oobling hypothesis. In 1966, Francis Crick proposed Oobl hypothesis. He postulated that at the 5' base on the anticodon, which binds to third base on the mRNA, was not as spatially confined as the two other bases, and that could be non-standard base pairing. So Crick creatively named it for the small amount of play that occurs in the third codon position. So he called it as movement or Oobl of the base pair. Next, question number 45, corona radiata, all of you know. C, corona radiata. Next, 46, secondary oocyte. Yeah, it is there, no? Menstrual cycle. Question number 46A, secondary oocyte. And 47, you know, tapetum. For 48C, isthmus. Isthmus junction we said. Whereas others are all tubes. They are ducts, no? Only isthmus is the place. Right? So we have answered all. In our next session, we will go for section C. And post your scores in the group, please, soon after this. Bye, take care.